Imagine a garden where your plants thrive with minimal effort. Weeds are a distant memory, and the soil is rich and alive. This isn't a gardening dream, it's the reality you can achieve by combining the wisdom of the Back to Eden gardening method with the powerful organization of the Epic Gardening Planner. The Back to Eden method, inspired by nature's own processes, focuses on building healthy soil and mimicking the natural decomposition that occurs on the forest floor. The Epic Gardening Planner, on the other hand, acts as your digital garden assistant, helping you plan, track, and learn from your gardening journey. Together, these two tools empower you to create a thriving garden that's not only productive but also environmentally friendly and sustainable. Let's explore how this powerful combination can transform your gardening experience. Imagine walking through a forest. Notice the soft, spongy ground beneath your feet. That's the magic of natural mulch at work. The Back to Eden method replicates this process in your garden, creating a nurturing environment for your plants. The core principle is simple. Cover your soil with a thick layer of organic mulch like wood chips. This blanket does wonders for your garden. The mulch acts like a sponge, absorbing rainwater and preventing it from evaporating. This means less watering for you and happier, hydrated plants. The thick mulch layer blocks sunlight, preventing pesky weeds from taking root and competing with your veggies for nutrients. As the mulch decomposes, it feeds the soil with beneficial nutrients, improves soil structure, and encourages earthworms and other beneficial organisms. The Back to Eden method is about working with nature, not against it, to create a self-sustaining ecosystem in your backyard. The Epic Gardening Planner is more than just a calendar. It's your personalized gardening assistant, available at your fingertips. This app is designed to make your gardening experience seamless and enjoyable, whether you're a novice or a seasoned gardener. Let's explore its key features and see how it can transform your gardening routine. Discover plant combinations that deter pests, attract beneficial insects, and enhance growth. The app provides detailed guides on companion planting, helping you make the best choices for your garden. Imagine planting basil alongside your tomatoes for a natural pest repellent. This simple tip can save your crops from harmful insects without the need for chemical pesticides. Avoid depleting your soil by rotating your crops. The app offers easy-to-follow crop rotation plans to maintain soil fertility and health. The planner sends you timely reminders, ensuring healthy soil and bountiful harvests year after year. These reminders are crucial for maintaining a productive garden. Never miss a beat in your garden. The app keeps you updated with all the necessary tasks. Receive email reminders for planting, watering, fertilizing, and harvesting your crops. These notifications help you stay on top of your gardening schedule, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Record your successes, challenges, and observations. Keeping a journal helps you track your progress and learn from each season. This valuable data helps you learn from your experiences and improve your gardening skills each season. Reflecting on past entries can provide insights and strategies for future planting. The Epic Gardening Planner empowers you with knowledge and organization, setting you up for gardening success. With this app, you can manage your garden efficiently and effectively.
I love how the Epic Gardening Planner keeps me on track. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to my garden. The companion planting guide and crop rotation reminders have been game changers for my garden. They've made my gardening more efficient and productive. Plus, the email notifications ensure I never forget a task. These reminders are incredibly helpful, especially during busy seasons. It's like having a garden coach right in my pocket. With the Epic Gardening Planner, I feel more confident and prepared to tackle any gardening challenge.
Combining the Back to Eden method with the Epic Gardening Planner creates a powerful synergy that transforms your gardening experience. 1. Use the planner's design tools to create an efficient garden layout, ensuring every plant has the perfect spot. Optimizing space and sunlight for each plant. This careful planning maximizes growth and health. 1. Determine the best planting dates based on your local climate and each plant's needs. This ensures your plants thrive in their ideal conditions. The planner's reminders ensure you never miss a planting window, keeping your garden on track throughout the seasons. 1. Once your garden beds are prepared, you can move on to the next crucial step. Apply a thick layer of wood chips, straw, or other organic mulch which helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Following the Back to Eden principles. This method enriches the soil and promotes healthy plant growth. 1. Track your garden's progress meticulously, noting any changes or developments, noting any pest or disease issues, so you can address them promptly and effectively, and record your harvest directly in the planner. This helps you understand what works best for future seasons. This combination of planning and natural gardening techniques takes the guesswork out of gardening, making it a more enjoyable and rewarding experience, allowing you to enjoy the process and reap the rewards of your efforts. The satisfaction of a well-planned and thriving garden is unparalleled.
When you bring together the natural principles of the Back to Eden method, you create a garden that is both sustainable and productive. With the organizational power of the Epic Gardening Planner, you ensure every detail is accounted for. You're setting yourself up for success. This holistic approach integrates nature and planning seamlessly. It's a holistic approach that makes gardening more efficient and enjoyable. You'll find that your garden not only looks better, but also performs better. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to maintain a healthy, productive garden. The results speak for themselves, with bountiful harvests and a thriving garden ecosystem.
Section 5. Success Stories, Real Gardeners, Real Results. Countless gardeners have experienced the transformative power of combining these methods.
Sarah, a first-time gardener, was amazed by the weed suppression and water retention of the Back to Eden method. The Epic Gardening Planner gave her the confidence to choose the right plants and stay organized. Her once empty backyard now boasts vibrant raised beds overflowing with herbs and vegetables.
Mark, an experienced gardener, struggled with clay soil and weeds. After adopting the Back to Eden method, he noticed a dramatic improvement in his soil structure and a significant reduction in weeding time. The Epic Gardening Planner helped him optimize his planting schedule, resulting in his most abundant harvest yet.
These stories are a testament to the power of combining mindful planning with nature-inspired techniques. Section 6. Getting Started. Your Journey to a Bountiful Garden. Ready to embark on your own Back to Eden garden journey with the Epic Gardening Planner as your guide? This planner is designed to make your gardening experience seamless and enjoyable. Here's how to get started. Follow these steps to ensure a successful and bountiful garden. First, download the Epic Gardening Planner app or access the web version. This tool will be your best friend throughout your gardening journey. Input your location and garden details to personalize your experience. This helps the planner provide you with the most accurate and relevant information. Next, use the planner's design tools to lay out your garden beds. These tools are user-friendly and help you visualize your garden space. Consider factors like sunlight, space, and plant needs. Proper planning ensures that each plant gets the right amount of light and room to grow. Then, select the vegetables, herbs, or flowers you want to grow. Choose plants that you love and that will thrive in your climate. Refer to the planner's plant database for guidance on companion planting and care requirements. This will help you create a harmonious and productive garden. After that, decide on your mulch material: wood chips, straw, or leaves. Each type of mulch has its benefits, so choose what works best for your garden. Source it locally to support your community and ensure freshness. Aim for a layer of 6 to 8 inches deep for optimal weed suppression and moisture retention. This will save you time and effort in the long run. Now, prepare your garden beds by removing any existing weeds. This step is crucial for a healthy start. Spread a thick layer of cardboard or newspaper to suppress weed growth. This eco-friendly method helps keep your garden organic. Then cover the cardboard layer with your chosen mulch, ensuring even distribution. This creates a protective barrier for your plants. Finally, plant your seedlings or seeds directly into the mulch layer. Water them well to give them a strong start. Watch your garden flourish. With patience and care, you'll soon enjoy the fruits of your labor in a beautiful, bountiful garden. Section 7. Choosing your mulch: wood chips versus straw versus leaves. Each type of mulch has its pros and cons, long-lasting and excellent for weed suppression. They decompose slowly, providing long-term soil benefits. Best for perennial beds and pathways. Breaks down quickly, adding nutrients to the soil. Ideal for vegetable gardens as it decomposes within a season, enriching the soil for the following year. Free and abundant in the fall, they decompose quickly, improving soil structure. best used in combination with other mulches for added nutrients. Consider your budget, availability, and the specific needs of your garden when choosing your mulch material. Section 8. Troubleshooting, common challenges and solutions. Even with the best planning, challenges can arise. Here are some common issues and solutions.
Create barriers using copper tape or diatomaceous earth around vulnerable plants.
Wood chips can temporarily tie up nitrogen as they decompose. Add a nitrogen-rich fertilizer or supplement with compost to compensate.
Water your mulch thoroughly after application to help it settle. Use heavier mulch like wood chips in windy areas.
Don't be discouraged by setbacks. View them as learning opportunities on your gardening journey. Section 9. A garden for tomorrow, reaping the rewards. By embracing the Back to Eden method and the Epic Gardening Planner, you're not just growing food, you're cultivating a sustainable and rewarding gardening practice. Imagine harvesting fresh, flavorful produce from your own backyard, reducing your environmental impact by conserving water and minimizing waste, enjoying the peace and tranquility of your thriving, low-maintenance garden. Start planning your dream garden today and experience the magic of nature and technology working together.